everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day so far today. Today's video, we are going to be doing a review on this Red Heart Super Saver Fair Isle yarn. If you saw my video from a few days ago, I had a yarn haul. I went to Joann's, got some yarn, and this was one of the things I had purchased just because I was strictly curious to see how it worked up. It says Fair Isle. Here's the picture on the packaging, the sleeve of the yarn, and this is done in crochet. I looked at that and I thought, that doesn't really remind me of Fair Isle. Maybe it looks different when you knit with it or when you crochet in the round or knit in the round. So I thought I would do just that. So I purchased it, and what I've done is I have made a few samples both in knit and crochet just to see what it looks like when it's worked up. And I'm gonna give you my opinion on if I think it's really Fair Isle looking or not. I would love to know your guys' opinions too, so please make sure you leave those in the comments below. First, before I show you the samples that I've made, I just real quick want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I want to remind you that if you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. Click the bell icon, you'll be notified when I upload new videos, and there are links in the description below. Check those out if you would like. Let's look at the samples that I made. Now I did use a different colorway. This colorway was called Calm Fair Isle, and this is just a basic knit hat. Nothing special, no fancy stitch work, just knit in the round. I did do 1x1 ribbing down here, but the rest is just knit in the round and then doing your decreasing as normal. Right off, I don't think it looks like Fair Isle to me. I mean, it does have, if you look here, and I'm really sorry about the lighting. I'm working on getting better lighting so there's no shadow over here because that drives me crazy. But I'm working on that, so just please be patient. There is some patterns going on through here, if you can see, and it looks kind of neat. But if you keep going, you can see that pattern gets lost. It kind of just gets lost right in through there, and I don't really see much other patterns going on. I guess there's a little bit of flaking going on through here, a little bit here, but again, it's not even, you know, it's just not an even pattern. And when I think of Fair Isle, that's what I think of, even patterns. Like, here's my example of a Fair Isle hat that I made. This is my pattern. If you're interested in this pattern, it is available on Ravelry. There is a link in the description below. But when I think of Fair Isle, this is what I think of. It's like even colors. Even patterns, there's a pattern going on, it's very distinctive, you can see it. I'm not seeing that so much with this. It's not an even, consistent pattern. And if you're like me at all, I need the evenness, if that makes any sense. When things aren't even, it kind of drives me a little crazy. But yeah, I'm just not seeing that even pattern that I would like to see. So I don't really think it looks Fair Isle. Again, I would love to know your guys' opinions, so please let me know down in the comments. But I did make another sample, just to be fair. Now this is crochet. And this hat is much smaller. It's a very small hat. It's a very basic hat. It's just double crochet with front post double crochet and back post double crochet for the ribbing. But I didn't make it too big because honestly, I wasn't loving the pattern that was emerging. So again, let me know what you guys think, but I'm gonna say personally, my opinion, I don't think it's really Fair Isle. Have you guys worked with this yarn? Do you like it? Do you not like it? It's not that I don't like the yarn itself because it is Red Heart Super Saver yarn and I've been using this stuff forever and I do love their yarn. It's easy to work with. It's affordable. The pattern here, the colorway, this Fair Isle yarn, I don't really think it looks Fair Isle. That's just, I guess, the point I'm trying to make. That was the crochet hat, and I even went one step further and tried doing it flat. So if you were thinking of a scarf or something along those lines, here is the knit piece worked flat, just stockinette stitch, knit on the front, purl on the back. And again, there's no even consistency in the pattern. I want there to be an even pattern and I'm not seeing it, and my brain is trying to make one and it's just not there. But this is the knit sample and here is the crochet sample. This is just single crochet. Again, there is no even consistency with a pattern going. Those were my samples, you guys. I don't know. I'm gonna say I love the yarn itself, but when it comes to the Fair Isle aspect of this yarn. I'm just saying that I don't think it's fair to call it Fair Isle. Here's some of the yarn. Pull some of this out so you can see how it's kind of done. It's just different. It's like they just dyed it. And then if you keep pulling, oops, I gotta fix. Red Heart yarn is super good about making their skeins really easy to pull, but this is how it is, and then you'll get a solid piece. So there is no consistency with the patterns, and of course if you cast on more stitches or less stitches, your patterns are going to be different, so keep that in mind. But you could try this yarn out. I don't think there'd be any harm in it. Again, it still makes a warm hat. It's just, I don't think it's fair to call it Fair Isle. That was my opinion, you guys. Again, I love Red Heart Super Saver yarn. I'm just not loving the fact that they're calling this Fair Isle, because this does not remind me of Fair Isle. Let me know what you guys think. Fair Isle. Do you think it looks like Fair Isle knitting or crochet? I'm just curious to know your guys' thoughts and opinions. I would love to hear them. Leave them in the comments below. And that was my video for today. So if you liked this video, if you liked this review, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. Don't forget to click the bell icon. You'll be notified when I upload new videos. And of course, there are always links in the description below if you want to check those out. So until next time, you guys, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye.